All right, we're out here on the water right after Hurricane Nicholas. Water's kind of high on these ponds, so me and Roma's out here. Let's see what we can catch. So as soon as we hook onto one, we'll be right back. Got one? Cool.
Oh, my back hurts.
Come on, somebody. This one you grab from the lip right here. Let's take the hook out. Let's see. Grab him. Look over here. Hold it out more. There you go. Cool. That's a nice one. Release him right there. And there he went.
Alright, I got the first one.
Huh? You beat me.
I won.
So how did it feel? Alright, now it's my turn. I can't let you beat me. Got one. So you hold your pole up like this when you catch a fish. Hold it up. It's like yours. It's a crappie, but I think yours is bigger. No, maybe the same size. It's a nice one too. Dip it. You wanna grab it?
Slimy.
Big old mouth on him. Oh, crappie are biting. Let it go. Grab it from here. Huh?
Huh?
From right here, like I did. Right there from the bottom lip. Just put it right here on the edge by the grass. There you go. Go get bigger. Catch you next time. See that big old fish right there? Right in front of you. I think he spooked it. Let's see who's the first one to catch one of these fish. I wonder what they are. Ooh, there he is. Did you see him again? I think they're crappie. Like the one we caught over there. They keep striking it. Oh, there he is. Got him. Got him that time. That's a good fish. Oh, yeah, that's a good fish. Recording. Ooh, that's a big old bass. That's a big bass. Come on, baby. Nice bass. Oh yeah, look at that bass. Yeah. How do you like that? Let's weigh him. I think he's over 2 pounds easy. Yeah. 2 pounds, 3 ounces. Nice one. Cool. Let me release him. That was cool. Got one. Ooh, another one, big one. Yep. Another nice bass. See if I'm recording. Yep. Yeah, that's a nice one. It's about the same size as that other one. Hold on. Hold on. Don't jump. Okay, he swallowed that.
Did he?
I think we're good. Another nice bass. Come on, fishy. No, you're going the wrong way. Come on. Let's see if I can catch another one. Come on, you need to catch one of these big ones. All right, that wraps up another video. Did pretty good despite the drizzle and everything that after the storm. And the bite wasn't that great, but we did pretty good. We caught two bass. I caught two bass that were probably a little over 2 pounds. And we caught 2 nice crappie. And yeah, it went pretty good. Well, that wraps up this video, and I guess we'll see you on the next one. God bless you. See you on the next one. Bye.